In recent years, an increasing number of French food companies have opted to register with the United States Food and Drug Administration, totaling more than 11,000 registrations. This trend reflects a strategic move towards enhancing market access and compliance with stringent US regulatory standards. At the heart of this transition lies the pivotal role of FDA consultants and bilingual US agents who facilitate and streamline the complex process of FDA registration and compliance. The United States represents one of the largest markets for food products globally, offering immense opportunities for French food companies to expand their reach and tap into a discerning consumer base. The French food industry continues to demonstrate a strong capacity to produce. The sector mobilizes more than 19,000 companies, of which nearly 98% are small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. The sector generates $230 billion in annual revenue, and it directly employs more than 463,000 people and indirectly contributes to nearly 2 million jobs in France. Processed product categories include meat, fish, fruit and vegetables, canned foods, bakery and cereals, dairy, confectionery, animal feed, ingredients and beverages. France is a global exporter of processed foods. In 2023, French exports of processed foods totaled $58 billion, a slow increase of 5% in comparison with 2022. While wine exports are relatively stable, exports of distilled spirits fell by 8%. However, cheese and pastry exports increased by 13% and 18% respectively. French exports to the United States were driven in 2023 by pharmaceutical products, $4.4 billion, 9.0%, and beverages, $4.1 billion, 8.7%. New York State, $8.9 billion, New Jersey, $5.4 billion, and Texas, $4.7 billion, are France's three main importers in the United States, with the decline of Florida and California. However, accessing the United States market requires adherence to rigorous regulatory requirements imposed by the FDA. These regulations encompass various aspects such as labeling, ingredient specifications, manufacturing practices, and food safety standards, all aimed at ensuring consumer safety and product quality. FDA consultants play a crucial role in assisting French food companies navigate the complexities of FDA regulations. These consultants are typically experts in FDA compliance, possessing in-depth knowledge of regulatory frameworks, submission requirements, and procedural intricacies. Their expertise spans across diverse areas, including food labeling regulations like nutrition facts panels and allergen declarations, facility registration, product classifications such as food additives versus dietary supplements, and good manufacturing practices. Although your US company does not need a US agent, your Canadian, Mexican, Brazilian, Australian, Indian, Chinese, South Korean, Japanese, Russian, Italian, Greek, Portuguese, French, Belgian, Dutch, German, Swiss, Swedish, British, Irish facility or establishment is required to appoint one such as ITB Holdings LC as part of the registration process. FDA will not complete a registration or provide a registration number until ITB Holdings LLC confirms it has agreed to serve as the US agent for a foreign facility or establishment. Additionally, because US agents would have direct access to a list of facilities identifying them as US agent, the identification system will limit the number of unauthorized and/or fraudulent US agent listings. The US agent's responsibility is to be the foreign facility's contact for the FDA in both emergencies and routine operations, responding to questions concerning the foreign establishment's products that are imported or offered for import into the United States, assisting FDA in scheduling inspections of the foreign establishment. Streamlining FDA registration. For French food companies, the process of FDA registration can be daunting without proper guidance. FDA consultants streamline this process by providing tailored support that includes initial assessment, conducting a comprehensive review of the company's products and operations to determine regulatory obligations and potential compliance gaps, preparation of documentation. assisting in the preparation and submission of required documents such as food facility registrations, food canning establishment or FCE registrations, prior notices for imported food products, and possibly foreign supplier verification program or FSVP agent statement of consent for customs clearance. Labeling compliance. Ensuring that product labels meet FDA requirements regarding content, format, language, and specific claims like organic or gluten-free. Quality system implementation. Advising on the implementation of robust quality systems and procedures such as hazard analysis, critical control point or HACCP to ensure food safety and compliance with FDA standards. Audit and inspection readiness. Preparing companies for FDA inspections and audits through mock inspections, training programs, and readiness assessments. Benefits of FDA registration. The decision to register with the FDA offers several strategic advantages for French food companies: market expansion, access to the vast US market known for its high purchasing power and diverse consumer preferences, enhanced credibility, demonstrating commitment to quality and compliance, thereby enhancing brand reputation and consumer trust. Competitive edge. Meeting FDA standards positions companies favorably against competitors, potentially opening doors to retail partnerships and distribution agreements. Risk mitigation. Minimizing the risk of regulatory non-compliance penalties, import refusals, and market withdrawals that could damage brand integrity and financial stability. Challenges and considerations. While the benefits of FDA registration are clear, challenges remain, particularly for companies unfamiliar with US regulatory requirements. These challenges underscore the critical role of FDA consultants in providing ongoing support, updates on regulatory changes, and strategic advice to navigate evolving compliance landscapes. As we look ahead to the future, several key trends and predictions are poised to shape the landscape of FDA registrations for French food companies. First, the increasing emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendly practices will drive more stringent regulatory requirements. Companies will need to innovate and adapt to meet these new standards, ensuring their products not only comply, but also resonate with environmentally conscious consumers. Secondly, advancements in technology such as blockchain and AI will revolutionize supply chain transparency and traceability. This will not only streamline the FDA registration process, but also foster greater consumer trust and loyalty. Lastly, the global shift towards healthier and organic food options will continue to influence FDA regulations. French food companies must stay ahead of these trends, offering products that meet the evolving demands of health-conscious consumers. By staying informed and agile, French food companies can navigate these future trends successfully, ensuring their continued growth and success in the US market. The future is bright, and with the right strategies and partnerships, the opportunities are boundless. As we conclude our exploration of FDA registration, let's turn our attention to the future opportunities that lie ahead for French food companies in the US market. With the ever-evolving landscape of food regulations and consumer preferences, there are numerous avenues for growth and expansion. One significant opportunity is the rising demand for authentic and artisanal products. French food companies can capitalize on their rich heritage and craftsmanship to attract discerning American consumers. Furthermore, partnerships with local distributors and retailers can enhance market penetration and brand visibility. Collaborating with established US businesses can open doors to new customer segments and distribution channels. Another promising avenue is the burgeoning e-commerce market. By leveraging online platforms, French food companies can reach a broader audience and offer convenient, direct-to-consumer options. Additionally, investing in targeted marketing campaigns that emphasize quality, tradition, and sustainability can resonate deeply with American consumers who are increasingly valuing these attributes. In summary, the US market presents a wealth of opportunities for French food companies. By staying adaptable and forward-thinking, they can navigate the complexities of FDA regulations and consumer trends to achieve lasting success. Join us as we continue to explore and share strategies for thriving in the US market. In conclusion, The surge in FDA registrations among French food companies reflects a proactive approach towards capitalizing on international market opportunities while adhering to stringent regulatory standards. FDA consultants serve as indispensable partners in this journey, offering specialized expertise and guidance to ensure smooth compliance and market success. As global trade continues to evolve, the role of FDA consultants will remain pivotal in facilitating regulatory compliance and fostering sustainable growth for French food companies in the US. If you're a French food company looking to expand into the US market, contact our FDA consultants today to ensure your success. Stay tuned to our channel for more insights and updates on navigating the complex world of FDA regulations. Together, we can build a sustainable and prosperous future for French food in the US market. Thank you for watching. And here's to a prosperous future for French food in the US market. For more information, visit our website at www.itbholdingsllc.com or chat with us 24/7. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, tutorials and industry updates. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release new content. Until next time, stay safe, stay compliant and stay tuned. See you next week.